Hey guys, welcome to another video here on Food Chain TV. If you're in a hurry for some really good chicken, this is the recipe for you. Alright, so this is a quick and easy chicken recipe. I'm gonna make a beautiful cherry tomato garlic sauce. We're gonna put it over chicken breast. It is going to be awesome. But most importantly, it's gonna be quick, and also more importantly, it's gonna be easy. Alright, so here we go. You have a whole bunch of cherry tomatoes. Now these are from my garden. I have like this cherry tomato bush. Alright, so first things first, we get our pan nice and hot. Put a little olive oil in there. I have 5 cloves of sliced garlic and I have a bunch of fresh parsley, so I'm gonna toss that in there. And with garlic, as you know, you gotta keep it moving around, otherwise it burns. Okay, you gotta keep the garlic moving. And in go the cherry tomatoes. Alright, now I'm gonna turn the heat down to medium. I'm gonna add my secret weapon here, a little bit of chicken bouillon. Okay, that was maybe like, I don't know, a tablespoon and a half. I have some salt and pepper. Some Chardonnay. Now when you're cooking with wine, make sure it's cheap. Okay, this is like $3 a bottle. You don't want to cook with expensive wine. It's not going to make it taste that much better. Always cook with cheap wine. Okay, we're going to bring this to a simmer. And this recipe is super easy. We're just going to simmer this until the tomatoes break down and get all nice and mushy. And that's about it. Then we're gonna pour it over some chicken and have ourselves a 5-star dinner. Okay, so here we are like 5 minutes later. You can see the tomatoes are breaking down nicely and they're letting go of all their juices, and those juices are mixing in with the wine and creating something really beautiful. Now you'll notice that I also have the lid off of this pan. I'm not covering it with a lid because I want all this evaporation to take place, so that when we're done cooking this, it's not going to be like a soup. It's going to be like more of a thick little sauce. So we're going to keep reducing this and evaporating it, and like I'm going to keep saying throughout this whole video, it's going to be a beautiful thing. Okay, we are now 10 minutes in, and you can see how nice and thick this is getting. A lot of that water is evaporating, and all that's left behind is just some of that concentrated tomato juice, some of that white wine, and it's just coming together really nicely. Now it's alright, so this is our fresh cherry tomatoes from the garden, garlic, fresh parsley, and of course when you have cherry tomatoes you gotta have basil. Oh, sorry, it's getting a little steamy there. Alright, so we're gonna just hand tear the basil, just like this. You can put as much as you want. Just tear it like that with your hands. Basil goes in at the very end because if you cook basil too much, the flavor actually diminishes. So right before you turn it off, that's when you put in the basil. Man, this is steaming up. It's like an 80s romance. This belongs on the Hallmark Channel. Okay, so I've turned the heat off, and here's what we're left with. This beautiful glossy cherry tomato sauce. I wish you guys could smell this. All the garlic and all that basil. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Alright, now you can use whatever kind of chicken you want for this recipe. It can be roast chicken, it can be pan-fried chicken, it can be baked chicken. Now, I'm in a real hurry, and I love using these Tyson panko chicken breast tenderloins from Costco. So I'm just going to toss these in my air fryer. Okay, we close that. Boom. 17 minutes should do it, and start. There we go. Okay, so here's our hot crispy chicken straight out of the air fryer. And here we go, guys, the money shot, the shot to pay the bills. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh boy. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. And that's dinner, guys. 15 minutes from 0 to this. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you want to help my channel grow, you can do so by subscribing and liking this video. The more subscriptions that I have, the more likes my videos have, the more time I'll be able to spend making videos for you. All right, I'm gonna go have dinner and I'll see you guys later.